Hey there YouTube, I'm Jorge Lavaire. Shortcuts are a must if you want to work efficiently. And if you're wondering, no, I will not make a 2-hour video on all the different alt shortcuts. There are too many of them.
And quite frankly, you won't even use half of them, even if you do remember them.
I'll give you one advice, and this will be more than enough, I assure you. Only learn the alt shortcuts you need. I'll go over on how to do this in a bit, and also include some of my favorite ones. Every second counts when you are working.
Thankfully, most programs have alt shortcuts that let us be more productive.
Alt functions save only a few clicks and a couple of seconds, but added up, this can improve your efficiency by saving hours of work. Yes, hours. Let's dive into what these shortcuts are all about. One of the best things about alt shortcuts is you don't need an extensive list of all of them, like the Ctrl, Shift, or even Windows shortcuts.
Instead, simply press the Alt key once. Upon release, you see a lot of letters come up. These are the next steps to our shortcuts. In this example, I want to format my selected text to a 2-column layout. I know where my tools are. They are in the Layout tab, which in my case corresponds to P. So pressing P will be equivalent to going over to the Insert tab and clicking it, except it's way faster. Then, under the Columns tool, I see my next key press should be J. Now I can use my arrow keys to navigate through these options. Super easy! This method applies to almost every single option and tool in Microsoft. I quickly export to PDF after finishing my document by using Alt, F, E, and A. This brings up my Publish as PDF window.
Use alt functions for your most used tools. But wait a second, there's a few extra pro tips at the end.
Most tools you can access via shortcuts, but it's also a good idea to populate your quick access toolbar with the tools you use frequently in your documents. This keeps your favorite tools readily available at the top of your Word screen. In a nutshell, right-click a tool you access frequently, add it to the quick access toolbar, and that's it. Now this tool will always be there to avoid having to go and search for it on the tab it's in.
Tell me, what are your most used tools in Word? Do you keep them in the quick access, or do you learn the alt function linked to it? Answer in the comment section. Also, share some of the tips you use to quickly access your tabs, tools, and options. Remember to like this video and subscribe to get recommendations on the best productivity tips for working.